Hi folks, so in this video I'm going to be cooking a chili non-carne, a vegan chili basically. Now I'm doubling up because I want a big batch for freezing, but I'll put the ingredients for a single batch below. You can always double up yourself if you wanted more. So let's get cracking. So first up is one red bell pepper, diced, cut into squares. So that's two red bell peppers in my case, but one red bell pepper if you're just doing a single batch, chopped in the pot. Next up, green bell peppers, same, diced in the pot. So that's the green bell pepper, chopped and in the pot. We have a tin of red kidney beans, drained, rinsed and in the pot, or in this case 2 tins. I've already rinsed these at home, thought it would just be easy. There you go in the pot. Then it's 50 grams of red lentils in the pot. $75 grams of soy protein mince of whatever make you takes your fancy. Goes in the pot. And then it's 1 garlic clove, chopped, or feeling lazy like I am, some already chopped garlic. I'm just going to tip all of this in because I like the garlic, and yeah, half a bite. There's about 2 or 3 teaspoons worth in there. And it's 100 grams of tomato puree, or because I'm doubling up, it's all of this tube. This is a 200 gram tube, so I'm just going to squirt all of this in the pot. And then here I've got a pinch of cayenne pepper, a large pinch, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of hot paprika, and a pinch of salt. Obviously there's a lot more in this one because I'm doubling up. Goes all in the pot. And then it's 500 millilitres, or in my case a litre of water. Again, you might need a little bit more if you cook it on an open fire. Yeah, put all that, and that is all your ingredients. I'll get the fire going now.
and new and improved pond. Cool. How are we doing? Oops. So I stir. Pumpkins. Some lovely berries. Oh yes, get that. That is done. That getting shot. Oh yes. Gorgeous. Right, it's taste test time. Best bit. Let's have a go. Make sure it's alright. What? Oh yeah. Champion. Job done.